How many ligaments are there in the middle ear? Answer of this question is fourth. That is 13 ligaments are there in the middle ear. Surgical important ligament in the middle ear are anterior ligament of malleus, superior ligament of malleus, lateral ligament of malleus, posterior ligament of the incus, and annular ligament of stipes. These five ligaments are surgically important and they are also important in the hearing mechanism. The calcification of anterior ligament of malleus may lead to 8 to 20 dB hearing loss because of calcification or other traumatic ossification of this ligament. And annular ligament of the stipes may lead to 60 dB hearing loss like in the otosclerosis. So maximum hearing loss may occur because of annular ligament of stipes. And posterior ligament of the incus makes the white dot. By seeing this white dot with incus buttress, you can safely open the posterior tympanotomy or facial recess for the cochlear implantation or cholesteatoma surgery. The ligaments and muscles of the middle ear. According to Dr. D. Grief, there are 13 ligaments in human ear, in which 7 attach to the malleus. So malleus ligament are anterior malleolar ligament, medial anterior malleolar ligament, superior anterior malleolar ligament, lateral malleolar ligament, posterior malleolar ligament, anterior superior and posterior superior malleolar ligament. So these are the 7 ligament of the malleus. Posterior malleolar ligament and anterior malleolar ligament form the rotation axis, and anterior superior malleolar ligament and posterior superior malleolar ligament prevent the malleus head from turning from the axis. Four ligaments attached to the incus. First is medial incudo-malleolar ligament. Second is posterior incudal ligament. Third one is medial incudal ligament, and fourth one is lateral incudal ligaments. The posterior incudal ligament is very short and strong, which attaches to the incus to the posterior wall of the middle ear cavity. And there are two ligaments which is related to the stipes. One is superior stipedial ligament and second is annular ligament. The shortest ligament of the middle ear is superior stipedial ligament, and longest ligament of the middle ear is the anterior malleolar ligament. So these are the 13 ligaments of the middle ear. Out of 13 ligaments, 5 ligaments are related to the hearing support. Rest ligaments are not supporting the hearing mechanism. So hearing mechanism supporting ligaments are anterior ligament of malleus, superior ligament of malleus, lateral ligament of malleus, posterior ligament of incus, and annular ligament of the stipes. These 5 ligaments are involved in the hearing mechanism. Anterior ligament of malleus, which is longest ligament, as it is also called ligament of Caserio, is attached by one end to the neck of the malleus just above the anterior process, and by the other end to the anterior wall of the tympanic cavity. Some fiber goes to the petrotympanic fissure and attached to the capsule of the TM joint, and some goes to the spina angularis of the sphenoid bone. The superior ligament of the malleus is a delicate round bundle which descends from the roof of the epitympanic recess to the head of the malleus. The lateral ligament of malleus is a triangular band passing from the posterior part of the notch of the raminus to the head of the malleus. This lateral ligament and anterior ligament form the axis ligament around which the malleus rotates. The posterior ligament of incus is short, thick band connecting the end of the short crus of the incus to the fossa incudis. Last clinically significant ligament is the ligament of the base of the stipes or annular ligament of the stipes. This ligament encircling the margin of the fenestra vestibuli by a fibrous ring. There are two muscles in the middle ear, tensor tympani and stapedius muscle. The tensor tympani muscle originates from the cartilaginous portion of the auditory tube and sphenoid bone. and insert on the neck of the malleus. The contraction of tensor tympani muscle pulls the tympanic membrane and malleus into the middle space, increasing the stiffness of the tympanic membrane and the static pressure within the middle ear. So, contraction of this muscle increase the stiffness of tympanic membrane and it also increases the static pressure of the middle ear. Second muscle is the stapedius muscle, whose exact role is not fully understood. Originate from the pyramidal eminence, a conical projection in the middle ear behind the oval window, and insert at the neck of the stapes. Some studies show that it's contract in response to vocalization and swallowing, reducing the transmission of internal noise to the cochlea. It also contracts in response to loud noise and likely reduce sound transmission to the cochlea by about 15 decibel. Reduction in response amplitude depend on stimulatory frequency. Tensor tympani muscle supplied by trigeminal nerve, fifth nerve, while the stapedius muscle supplied by the facial nerve, seventh nerve.